Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Warm milk to about 110 degrees F and sprinkle yeast to wake it up. Then mix with sugar, eggs, and melted butter for a balanced dough. Add flour gradually until you achieve a soft, tacky texture that is easy to handle and not overly sticky. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm, draft-free place until roughly doubled in size, which gives your donuts a light, airy crumb ready for shaping and cooking. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long baking sessions and consider the Owala water bottle for easy sipping between steps, keeping your hands messy-free and your focus sharp. It's spill-resistant and comfy to carry, making it a small kitchen companion that saves extra mess and trips to the sink. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Roll the risen dough out to a consistent thickness and cut rings for classic donuts, or use a spoon for quick drop donuts if you prefer less effort. Heat oil to about 350 degrees F for frying, or arrange on a tray for baking if you want a lighter approach. Cook until golden brown on each side, drain briefly on paper towels, and cool slightly before glazing so toppings adhere without sliding off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.